Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to alazaesbeauty. Now today we are going to be testing out this new crazy TikTok one. This one is the e.l.f. the color correcting full coverage natural finish, which is going to come in this package, and it looks like this. I want to say retails for $11 if I'm correct, but don't quote me on that please because I can't remember. But anyways, I got it in medium 330W, so not 100% sure if it will match because I had to get it online. So it's supposed to be kind of like a dupe for the It Cosmetics one. Now, I have tried the It Cosmetics one. The one I like for me is going to be the matte version just because I am oily. So keep that in mind. So we will see how this is. Now, obviously, you're going to take it out and it has a pump. Like, this is my first impression. So let's see how the coverage is and how it feels in general. So I do like the pump. I just pumped it out. I'm using my brush because I always like to use a brush just because I feel like it is more blendable. And compared to a sponge, I like more of a fuller coverage. So, let's see. Now, remember the one from It Cosmetics, even though it says like a BB, it is more really a true foundation compared. Because I know a lot of people want something light. But, okay, for this e.l.f. one, okay, doesn't feel heavy. But, I feel like it's doing a pretty good coverage though, overall. And I did can't talk about goodness. Pre-prep my skin. I got my primer and everything going. So, let's see. See how it looks. You may hear noise in the background. That's my son. He's watching his little show. Alright. And don't forget, always do the eyes as well. Because you want to make sure everything is neutralized. Especially, we don't want to see those veins there. Alright. Now, let's see if TikTok is right about this one. That is a dupe and it works good. This is my first time testing it. Like I said, I did go to e.l.f. website and just to see how I could pick a match because they only have certain colors and I wanted to make sure. From the looks of it, it looks like kind of close. I feel like maybe in camera it looks a little bit yellowish, but let me see. In person, I feel like it matches. So that's good. That's a good thing. Alright. So far it feels pretty good. Alright. And always like to buff it out so we don't have those streaks, those lines. And I do like to go over it with my beauty blender. Just pat it. Alright. Let's see. What do you guys think so far? I would like to see how it makes my pores look. So I feel like not too bad. I will be wearing it out today. So, and another thing I'm going to do is, well, I'm going to do the Benefit Professional Setting Spray. Because I was talking over with my sister. And I was like, you know what? I don't think I did it a fair test. Just because I did have a mask on. And I did it for work. And I was like, let me give it a true test because I love Benefit. So, I'm going to give it another shot. So, because last time I'm there for 7 hours. We normally don't wear masks. You know, ever since COVID, unfortunately, we had to wear masks. But think about it, usually in our normal daily life, we don't wear masks usually. So I was like, you know what, let me test it out without the mask to see how it works. I'm going to test it out for a few hours, and we'll see how it works again. So I'm going to set it with that spray as well, because I'm going to try it again, because, you know, you never know. So, all right, but so far, it looks pretty good. All right, I do my hair too, so don't mind my craziness. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and finish doing my makeup, and I will be back with everything set, see how it goes with my makeup as well, okay? So I'll be back in a minute. All right, my beautiful people, we are back and we are testing out the new e.l.f. foundation, and it's pretty much supposed to be a dupe, you know, for the It Cosmetics. So we will see how this is gonna work out. But so far, I'll be honest, I like the coverage. I feel like the coverage is really nice. It's definitely full coverage, but it feels lightweight. I feel like it's definitely nice and blendable, and it's working really nice with my other makeup products. I mean, so I definitely like that. Now, I'm going to give the Benefit another chance, which is going to be this one, the new setting spray from them. Because I feel like last time maybe it was a little unfair because I was testing that when I was at work. And at my job, we had to have the mask on 24/7. So, let's see how it works out today. Alright, we're going to see how it works out. Just because I like a lot of products from Benefit. So I'm like, like I really wanted this to work the way I wanted to. But you know what? I was like, maybe I didn't give it a fair chance. Because normally, think about before COVID, we don't wear masks 24/7. So like, you know what? Let me give it a chance. See how it goes since today I'm not going to work. I'm actually going to be out today a little bit with my daughter. Just hanging out a little bit. So we'll see how that goes. And I'll see my sons. But we'll see how this goes. But so far, I do like about this. I'm gonna say a couple pros because I feel like it was maybe a little harsh last time. I would say I like the mist when it comes to this one. I feel like my forehead was matte last time a little bit. I feel like it did pretty good. It didn't disturb my makeup as much. But I want to see overall. It didn't keep it intact when it came to the mask. That's why I was hoping for it to keep it. But then again, think about what foundation and setting spray has kept it intact. I haven't seen one yet. So I was like, maybe it was a little unfair. So let's give this another chance just to see, okay? And let's see how this makeup holds up overall in general. So far, I like how it makes my skin look. I feel like it's making it look nice. So I can't complain. So far looks pretty good. So, all right, I'll see you guys in a few. Let's see how long this holds up for. Hey, my beautiful people. So I am back after trying out the new foundation from e.l.f. This one right over here. And it's been, I would say, 6 hours now since I applied it. Whew, your girl is tired. I've been up and down doing stuff today. So I've been doing a couple errands, definitely with my kids and, so on and stuff. But the true test is, how does it look? I'll be honest, I feel like it is still good and put together. Now, I know it looks a little crazy, I feel like right here. But I'll be honest, I'm not going to blame it on the foundation just because I didn't have time to exfoliate last night. And I always like to exfoliate so I didn't get a chance to. So even after not exfoliating after last night, overall, I think, honestly, it did pretty good. And I'm oily and I'm actually shocked. I'm not gonna lie, I like it. I'll be honest, I feel like the color is really good too. Now, I do recommend definitely going to their website, go to e.l.f. website. They kind of give you a little summary what shade you could be, because they have like whatever foundation you're wearing now. They'll give you like a suggestion of what you could be. So, and I'll be honest, I had medium 330W, and I usually wear like I'm trying to think which foundation I have. Like the MAC, I wear the NC40. That's what I wear from Studio Fix. And then from Lancome, it is a 370. I wear that one. So, I don't know. Like, I like it. I'll be honest. I like it. Girl. I ain't gonna lie. I'm shook. I'm shook, to be honest. I like it. So, TikTok, you're right on this one. Because I'll be honest. I've been dying to just try this one. I'm like, man, I want to try it. Because I tried the It Cosmetics before. And I think it's pretty good. Especially the matte one. But I feel like this one compared to the It one, I don't know. I feel like they're about the same. Or maybe even this one a little bit smoother. I don't know. I just like the way it makes my pores look. It's a little bit more smoother. So I definitely love that. I feel like my contour is still intact pretty good. My highlighter is still pretty good. So I do like that. Like, oh my goodness. My brows are still intact. Still got it together. You ain't got no brows. So I love it. It's still intact. So definitely, this is definitely a go and a yes for me. So definitely, I highly recommend give this a shot. Love it, especially me with oily skin. I'm always trying to find something that's also affordable and also is going to keep you matte. So this is definitely thumbs up for me. Now, I am so glad I tried the setting spray again. I will be honest. Oh my goodness, I'm glad I gave this another shot because I'm glad after wearing it for a couple hours, and especially for it, with my foundation, my whole makeup, without being at work and stuff. Because I'll be honest, I feel like that was unfair to judge it without, giving a good true test. And so I was like, man, let me give it another chance because it's not the setting spray's fault. So I'm like, let me give it by itself. And if it fails on this one, then definitely the setting spray is a no. But now that I tried it, to be honest, today without being at work and just being out on like a normal regular routine, I like it. I'll be honest. I do like it. I like that when you spray it, it goes on smooth. You could barely feel like a really fine mist. So I definitely love that. It feels to me the way it sets, like the Patrick Star, the spray that you remove. Hold on, I have it. Where's my spray? Okay, like this one. If anybody has this spray right here, when you miss this one, you can't really feel nothing on your face. And this is how it makes me feel. Like you don't feel nothing. But it doesn't feel wet or anything. It feels dry when you apply it. So I definitely love that. It doesn't leave you white marks, white spots. So you know what? I'm sorry. Like, you're good. I like it. So I would definitely, now that I gave it a fair chance overall, this is definitely a go now. To me now it's like, okay, because to me it's like Benefit. I like Benefit. And I was like, man, I was having high hopes at first. Like, come on. But then now that I give it a fair chance, this is definitely a go for me now. So I definitely like this one. Now, does it make my pores smaller? Honestly, it's hard to judge because I don't know if it was the foundation that did it or the setting spray that did it. So it's kind of hard to tell who's the one that did it. But keeping me matte after, I would say, it's like 6 hours already, a little bit plus. I ain't gonna lie. It did its thing. I do like it. So now that I definitely gave it a fair chance, I'm so glad I did. I would definitely be purchasing this one more. So definitely good job, Benefit. And oh my god, I'm so glad I talked to my sister about this, because I'm like, oh my goodness, I need to get it another fair chance. But I'm glad I did. Sometimes you gotta give things second chances. You never know. So definitely a thumbs up for me for this one, and definitely a thumbs up for me for this one. Love it, love it, love it. So I will be getting pretty soon the Maybelline Sky mascara. So I can't wait to try that. That is the one with the pink, whatever. I feel like this might be a dupe for the Benefit Bang, I believe. Or what is this out there? That's a little bit close to that. In top of my head, I can't think what else. But I would definitely want to give that one a shot just to see if that one's good. So I'm just waiting for it to be shipped, because they've been sold everywhere. That's another TikTok item that's been hot. I'm like, oh my goodness, just to get your hands on this, oh my goodness. But anyways, overall, I definitely approve these. I definitely like these. So definitely now for sure confirm, give this a shot, because I definitely like it. And I did get the small one, like I said before, just because I was like, let me see if I like it or don't. And if I do like it, I'll buy the big one later. So definitely, I'm definitely gonna be getting the big one now, because I'm like, girl, I like it. And I will put the prices down below to let you know how much they are. But all right, don't forget, you are beautiful no matter what. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.